I'm testing one versus $1,000 coffee machines. These are the nice ones right there, but unfortunately, those are not the ones we're doing. First one, the $1 one is this. It's not even a coffee machine, so I can pour it in. I'm gonna try to fill up water. I'm gonna try to fill it up with water because I don't have any coffee, so it says you have to fill it up with water. Oh, wait, look at it. It's like there's holes at the bottom. Look, there's holes at the bottom. You can see it coming out. Alright, that was not a success. I guess on to the next thing. Alright, we got the $10 coffee machine. It's this one. It's pretty nice. This is it. And you can only get one, you know how regular coffee machines have these creamer in there? Well, you can get this creamer. I don't even know what that is. It's like a play thing. And then you have to add this in there. But first, you add water in it. So you make sure it's like on there. So if you do there, that means it brews like a coffee. See? It's pretty nice. So I'm going to put water in here. I'm going to put some water in here. There's the water thing. I don't know how we're going to do this. We're going to go up to water. Alright. You know what? We should get a cup. I'm going to get a cup from over there. Where's the cups? Can't find the cup. I found the cup right here, but there's water in it. See? It's right. Alright, there's water in it. So I'm gonna dump it out real quick. Oh. Alright. Got it right here. Now we're going to fill this up and put it in there. And we just need to have that much in it. Right, turn it around. Here's the coffee maker. So we just pour it in. Like right there. I think that's a little bit too much, but we're gonna do this over the sink because I think it's going to drip a little. It's gonna leak, so we're gonna do it over this. Here, I'm getting in the coffee sink. Alright. Oh, it's dripping already. It's dripping already, guys. Oh, I'll move you guys back a little because, yeah, it's dripping. And that should be a rap song. And that's the coffee maker. You guys can't see my face. So, yeah. I'm going to try to do it over the sink. So, this is over the sink, guys. I'm going to do it. Maybe it'll work. It's not that way. Oh, I almost dropped it. Right there. Oh, whoa. Did you see that, guys? Did you see it? It's like, alright, it's like that. Now we gotta add the coffee creamer. So, there. And then close it. Now I gotta get like a mini cup or something. I do have mini cups, but it's high. So I'm gonna have to use a chair to get up there. It's gonna be funny, guys. Alright, I'm gonna have to use a chair to get up there. Oh! Alright, here's the chair. This is only the $10 cup. This is only the $10 one. Oh, alright, those mini cups are in. Oh, gee. We got the thing right here, and we're gonna see if it actually works. We got a yellow cup. Oh, we got a yellow cup. Put these to the side. We got the cup right there, and I'm gonna put the switch to there. Oh, honey, do you even do it? Oh, it's not going. I think it's actually broke, guys. Oh, there we go, there we go. But it's not coming out, like, actually. Oh, what happened? Oh, there we go, there we go. It's coming out. Do you see it, guys? It's coming out, it's coming out. Wait. Alright, I think that's all. Oh, wait, that's all the water, dude. Alright, we got the cup. Just turn it off. Got it. Oh, it's just plain water. Just plain water. Alright. Alright, I can't even talk. Bro, water, jeez. Right, on to the next coffee machine. This is taking long, dude. We got the next coffee machine. We're ranking it up to 100 now. 500 now. We're ranking up to the 500 machine. 500 machine is this machine. Alright, it's plugged in, so we're just gonna have to do it. Yeah. So, right here we got this. Again, the one I showed you from there. And then we got a mug. It's up here, I think. We got M. Right there. I think we have this. There actually was. That's trash, bro. Like this. And look. We got blue, yellow, and blue creamer. Here we got it. I think we could just add it right there. And then, you see that sharp thing above it? We just close it. And I'm not actually going to do it, guys, actually. Because if I do it, then we won't have more. So, on to the next one. Alright, the next one is a $700 one, and it's this one. See, it comes with a giant mug. It's literally a giant mug. It's a lid right there, but we're not going to do it. So, on to the next one. Alright, we got the finale. $1,000 one after so long. The $10 one took so long, so we had to hype it up to the $500 one. We got most expensive one. So this is like futuristic. You got some water in here. There's water on the sides. There's literally water on the sides. And there's one here. This under there. So you can go, oh, I'm not seeing, I'm just paying attention to the camera so that you got this. And we just put it in there. Alright, just do that and okay. Okay, make sure to subscribe and like the video, and I'm out. Peace!